Have you ever marveled at someone who seems to effortlessly excel in their field, consistently achieving peak performance? Perhaps you've wondered what sets them apart, or questioned whether you possess the necessary capabilities to reach your own zenith. Well, fret not. In this video, we embark on a fascinating journey into the realm of peak performance, guided by the principles of neuroscience. By unraveling the intricate workings of our brains and employing evidence-based strategies, we will empower you to optimize your cognitive functions and reach your fullest potential. We'll delve deep into the science of peak performance, exploring the brain's mechanics and how to work with it, not against it. From setting goals to managing stress, we'll cover it all. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights that will help you level up in life and work. So let's dive in. Here's an intriguing question for you. What if the secret to peak performance lies within your grasp? Not some elusive, mysterious state, but something rooted in the very essence of your being, your brain. Brace yourself as we explore the intersection of neuroscience and peak performance, revealing the untapped potential that resides within you. Picture this: a renowned artist creating a masterpiece, or an Olympic athlete soaring to new heights. At first glance, peak performance may seem like a distant realm reserved for a select few. But what if it's a capability that lies dormant within each of us, waiting to be unlocked? Join us as we challenge conventional notions and delve into the fascinating world where your brain takes center stage. As we continue this journey, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. Your engagement fuels our mission to bring the most relevant and valuable content to you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Now, let's dive into the captivating science that unveils the path to your personal peak. Your brain is an intricate network of billions of neurons, constantly buzzing with activity. To understand how to optimize your brain for peak performance, it's essential to familiarize yourself with its inner workings. Let's begin our exploration with 3 key regions. First, we have the prefrontal cortex, your brain's executive center. This region plays a pivotal role in planning, decision-making, and working memory, enabling you to stay focused on the task at hand. Next, we spotlight the hippocampus, a structure vital for memory and spatial navigation. It helps you encode and retrieve information, allowing you to build upon your experiences. Lastly, the amygdala takes center stage as a key player in processing emotions, particularly fear and reward. Its functions help shape your perception and decision-making processes. But it's not just about these regions. Your brain's chemistry also holds significant clues. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and acetylcholine serve as chemical messengers, driving motivation, attention, and learning. Understanding this intricate dance of neurons and neurotransmitters provides a roadmap to optimizing your brain for peak performance. So how can you harness your brain power to reach your fullest potential? Let's explore some practical strategies backed by scientific evidence. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices have gained widespread recognition for their ability to enhance focus and emotional regulation. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can train your brain to become more attuned to the present moment, reducing distractions and increasing clarity. Cognitive exercises, engaging in activities such as brain training, games, and puzzles, can help keep your mind sharp and improve cognitive flexibility. These exercises challenge your brain to form new connections, enhancing its overall efficiency. Sleep hygiene. Prioritizing quality sleep is crucial for brain health. By establishing a consistent sleep routine and ensuring sufficient rest, you can allow your brain to process information, consolidate memories, and recharge for optimal performance. Nutrition and hydration. Nourishing your brain with a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is essential. Staying hydrated also plays a vital role in maintaining cognitive function and overall brain health. Physical exercise. Regular exercise not only benefits your physical well-being, but also enhances blood flow to the brain. This increased circulation delivers essential nutrients and oxygen, supporting optimal brain function. Stress management. Chronic stress can impair cognitive performance. By implementing stress reduction techniques such as deep breathing exercises or yoga, you can help your brain function at its best. Brain-computer interfaces. Emerging technology offers exciting possibilities. As brain-computer interface devices become more advanced, they may provide new avenues for enhancing cognitive performance and assisting individuals with brain-related disorders. Transcranial magnetic stimulation. This non-invasive technique uses magnetic pulses to stimulate specific brain regions, potentially enhancing cognitive abilities such as memory and attention. Neurotechnology. The field of neurotechnology is rapidly advancing, offering potential tools for optimizing brain performance. As research progresses, we may see the development of innovative interventions and devices that cater to individual needs. Sustained practice. Peak performance is often the result of dedicated practice over time. By committing to sustained effort and embracing challenges, you can help your brain adapt, grow, and thrive. Personalized approach. Recognizing that each brain is unique, adopting a personalized approach to optimization is essential. Consider your individual goals, lifestyle, and preferences when implementing strategies. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Enlisting the support of professionals from various fields, such as neurologists, psychologists, and life coaches, can provide a comprehensive and holistic approach to optimizing brain performance. Ethical considerations. As we continue to explore the frontiers of brain optimization, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. Responsible innovation and equitable access to technologies should be at the forefront of our endeavors. Remember, optimizing your brain for peak performance is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, celebrate small victories, and continuously seek ways to enhance your cognitive abilities. By understanding the intricate workings of your brain and implementing practical strategies, you can tap into your full potential and achieve new heights in your personal and professional life. To sustain your peak, it's essential to adopt a proactive and holistic approach. Here are some strategies to help you maintain and even enhance your cognitive abilities over time. Continuous learning. Engage in activities that challenge and stimulate your mind. Learning new skills, pursuing higher education, or engaging in intellectually stimulating conversations can help keep your brain sharp. Self-reflection and feedback. Regularly assess your cognitive strengths and weaknesses. Seek feedback from others and be open to adjusting your strategies based on what works best for you. Embrace challenges. Step outside your comfort zone and tackle tasks that stretch your cognitive abilities. This can help your brain adapt and grow, fostering neuroplasticity. Nurture social connections. Strong social connections and a supportive network can provide both emotional and cognitive benefits. Nurture meaningful relationships and actively engage in your community. Time management and goal setting. Effective time management and goal setting are invaluable tools. By organizing your tasks, prioritizing effectively, and setting realistic goals, you can optimize your cognitive resources. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning rather than threats. A positive mindset can significantly impact your cognitive performance and resilience. Stress reduction and emotional regulation. Continue to prioritize stress reduction techniques and emotional regulation strategies. Find what works best for you and make self-care a daily habit. Ongoing research and innovation. Stay informed about the latest research and innovations in the field of neuroscience and brain optimization. Attend conferences, read scientific publications, and explore new tools and techniques. Collaboration and mentorship. Collaborate with others who share your passion for brain optimization. Seek mentors who can guide you and offer their expertise. Together, you can learn and grow. Celebrate successes and learn from setbacks. Acknowledge and celebrate your successes to stay motivated. When setbacks occur, view them as learning opportunities and adjust your strategies accordingly. Peak performance is a dynamic and evolving field, and staying adaptable is key. As new discoveries are made and technologies emerge, remain open to incorporating them into your optimization journey. Your brain has the incredible ability to adapt and change throughout your life. By understanding the science of peak performance and applying the strategies we've discussed, you can unlock your full potential and lead a fulfilling life. Remember, it's not about reaching a single peak, but rather about continually striving for excellence and personal growth. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might benefit from this knowledge.